How to upload high quality video on WhatsApp status. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So if you want to upload a video on your status without losing your quality, so what you have to do is to simply open up your Play Store application and simply search for this Panda compressor, video compressor for WhatsApp. So you have to simply search for it and download this. Once you are done, simply open it up and skip all of these. So once you are here, you will be redirected to your gallery. So here you have to simply select your desired video and it will give you many options here. So you have to go for the medium file, which is better quality. Simply select this and click on the compress on the bottom right corner. So once you have clicked on this will take minute and a half depending on the length of your video, and it will take few minutes. So as you can see, the original and compressed size of the video. So you have to now simply click on save on the bottom right again, and it will save it to your gallery. So that's how basically you can upload high quality video on WhatsApp status.